this is Tim from Your Tech Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off safe mode on your Samsung phone. So to get it into safe mode, just swipe down and go to power right here, and then hold down on power off. Then you can see safe mode, select this. Now it's going to restart into safe mode, and you can usually use this if you have some sort of virus or something on your phone, and it'll give you time to delete it and get off your phone. Now to get it out of safe mode, it's very easy. All you have to do is restart your phone. So you can force restart it by pressing the power button and the volume down at the same time. Just hold both these buttons down for about 15 to 20 seconds. Your screen will go black and it'll restart your phone like normal. Otherwise, if you swipe on down from the top left, there should be an option that says you're in safe mode, and you can just press it to get it out. So my phone is restarting right now, and it should launch it into the safe mode. And then the third option, if you swipe down from the top right, you're going to just see the power option, and you can just go to power and you can turn off your phone from here as well. So if you go to the top left, it says your phone restarted, unlock your phone set. Okay, so you're going to have to give it maybe like a minute for that screen to pop up if you're going to scroll on down from the top left. Otherwise it's not going to show up because it's still starting up your phone, my phone at least. So look in the top left, there should be a little option right here you can just press and it'll get it out of safe mode. Otherwise the forced restart. So we can do that now. Here it is, it popped up. It says I'm in safe mode. And I can tap here to turn it off, basically turn it off. So that's how you get into safe mode and get out of it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.